Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the circular pattern tool to create repeating, radially symmetric patterns. I'll say that 3 times fast. So anyway, what I've got here is a series of points that are repeating in a circular pattern around a central point, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So I have a central point. In this case, I've created a point in space and fixed it. You can use the origin and do your exercise. I'm going to take and create another point directly above that point. And for the sake of getting it constrained, I'm going to use the dimension tool and dimension that point to be 5 inches above my origin. So now I have 2 fully constrained points. I'd like to make this upper point repeat in a circular pattern around the lower point. On my tool ribbon, you'll find circular pattern underneath the linear pattern tool. If you hover over your drop-down menus until you find the circular pattern, it looks like this. It's labeled circular pattern and says a ring of 5 circles and what appears to be a pentagon shape. I'm going to choose circular pattern, and then I'm going to click on the entity that I would like to circular pattern. And then I need to grab the center point of the pattern if it isn't already where I want it. Even if it is where I want it, I should probably give it a tug and make sure that I get the yellow constraint icon to appear so that it locks in position right there. And then you can choose the number of instances that you would like by double clicking on the X value, in this case 3X. I'm going to change that to 10X. And then you can see the cursor has the green check mark, so that's the finish and save and finish, save and exit feature. So I'm going to click and release, double click, and there you have it. I've got a circular pattern of 10 sketch entities. You can see they are fully constrained because the original 2 entities are fully constrained, and the center of the entity was constrained to the original entity. I'll double click on that and change the value. And you can see that I can change this at any time by changing these dimensions. So that X value is the number of instances. This is how the system works. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.